got that projector hooked up? Okay, great. Pelican to Barn Owl. Pelican to Barn Owl. Are you there? Barn Owl, are you there? Where are you? Jonah's missing. You better go find him.
Copy that, Pelican.
Ellen! There you are. Can you fix this for me? Do I really have to kiss Taka?
No kissing, just shadow play.
Okay, good. Because this is really creeping me out.
Amy, don't this.
Jonah, how you holding up?
Better now. Just liberated my lunch in that stable over there. Remember that play we used to do when we were kids? What was it? Princess Bride? Father of the Bride? Anyway, it was the one where you made me propose to you with the watermelon ring pop. I swear your brother never let me hear the end of that one.
I remember.
The plays were always so creative when we were kids. So full of imagination. And tonight might just be your crowning moment.
Now you're making me nervous.
Tonight is as much yours as it is mine.
That's not true. Tonight is yours, Jonah. It's a life-changing moment. Anything can happen.
I finally got the movie working. Meet me at Mission Control, little sister.
Copy that, Pelican.
Hey, I won't be able to survive this without your music.
Sure you're ready for this? Hey.
Hey, we're getting close. I'm gonna head to the lookout. You don't have to watch that.
Barn Owl, got the target in sight.
She just passed the old mailbox, approaching the iron gate. All right, we've just got a few minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and make the announcement. I'm switching channels.
It's go time, Barn Owl.
Attention, everybody. The guest of honor has arrived. Please man your battle stations and let the party begin.
Ellen,
Ashley.
it's been forever. You look adorable. I mean, you always do.
Thanks. You too.
What's with all the movie screens? Your brother went a little nuts this year, huh?
I need to find Jonah.
Great, I'll come with you.
No, I need to see him first.
Can you just stop that for a second? Ellen, he's breathing on my neck again.
Hello?
Barn Owl.
Three years ago, on this very night, right outside this very barn, we had our first summer solstice party to honor the changing of the seasons. In fact, on that very night, right outside these doors, many wonderful memories were made. Most of you were here that night. My favorite memory of all time was made. My first kiss with the love of my life Ashley Chandra Patel. A kiss that would lead to many, many kisses.
This is the worst decision of my life. You're still breathing really hard.
After we dated for a while, we decided to take our first international vacation together. So, I chose the most cliche couple's destination of all time, Paris. Of course, we went during the worst rainstorm Paris had seen in years. It was miserable. Luckily, as many of you know, one of Ashley's special gifts is taking a disaster and transforming it into an unforgettable time. Then the sun came out, and it seemed like our romantic vacation was actually going to happen. Riding around on our little French bikes through Montparnasse, Marais, Bastille, Paris finally lived up to its reputation, and your smile lit up the city of lights like no other. But just when it seemed like everything would work out,
Wow, you really can act. Hey, Taco, what are you doing?
I fractured my right femur, cracked my left kneecap,
Come on, don't go.
and broke both my ankles.
I have to go.
Amy!
And yet again, it was up to you to save the day. The moment I realized you were the one for me wasn't just a moment. It was many moments, over many days. We were in that hospital for what seemed like weeks. Yet you somehow made it fun. Between staying up all night, playing Mad Libs, and eating creme brulee and the chocolate croissants. You were there to pick up my pieces. You were there to build me back up, give me confidence. You were there to give me strength. And the thing is, you're always there when I need you. And now, I want to be the one to be there for you, which is why tonight, on the 3rd anniversary of our first kiss, on the first day of summer, I ask you one question. Ashley Patel, will you marry me?
Yes, yes.